What's up? What's up, everybody? My name is Evan Plays 113 here, and today we are playing a game called Will You Press the Button? Now, I'm going to do many videos on this, and all this week starting today, which is Sunday, or the Sunday as I'm recording this. It'll probably still be Sunday once it's uploaded, but yeah, and I'll maybe do 1 or 2 videos every single day this week. Today, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday is when I'll stop recording until the Saturday after that. Because I'm doing a thing where I record every other week, because every other week there's someone here and I can't record when they're here, so I'll try to record as much as I can during the weeks that they're not here, so I can get as much video in for you guys, and you can be happy or whatever emotions. But let's get started. You get to have the most famous YouTube game. Wait, I won't start yet. But Will You Press the Button is a game where it gives you you get something maybe really good, but there's a good part about it and a bad part about it. And if you do want that, said you were the most rich person on earth, but once everything was paid off, you're no longer rich, or something like that, you press the button if you did want that. If you would go with that, if that had to happen, and if you press I will not if you wouldn't want that to happen. So that's basically what this is. So let's get started. You get to have the most famous gaming channel on YouTube, but you have to only play horror games that are specifically designed to scare just you and nobody else. That is actually kind of a hard decision. It's like a hard decision, but not really. Actually, I will, because as long as people are happy with me getting scared, then, and I'm getting scared. Alright. Oh, no. Okay. You could breathe underwater, but when you touch water, you become a mermaid. No. No, just no. All your past and future memes will get featured, but you will get a life and you'll have a slow internet connection. Nope. I can't take slow internet connection at all. No. Nope. Not at all. Not at all. Become your baby self, but with your present memories intact, but you will never meet your best friend. I guess. Wait, no, I won't. Twitter is erased from existence, but they all moved to Tumblr. Oh. No. Get $1,000 instantly, but all your clothes will vanish at any given time during the same day. Nah, because I don't want to spend... Because if all my clothes vanish, then I'd have to go shopping with that $1,000. And I'd be using a lot of that $1,000 just to go get clothes, and I wouldn't have much money left. So I'm not going to press the button. You have the ability to control anything with your mind, but every time you do, you get an almost unbearable headache. Ooh. Nah, I don't want to do that because I want to be able to control stuff with my mind. But I just can't deal with headaches because they're like, if I get an unbearable headache, it really, really hurts, and I am not someone who can deal with headaches that well. At all. So no, I would never press the button for that. You can hear people's thoughts, but you have to hear... Wait, no. But you have to hear every thought near you. Yeah, heck yeah. That's for sure. You control all sea creatures and breathe underwater, but you cannot ever exit the water. No. I'm not really a sea or water type of person unless it's a pool or something. Your toys come to life, like in the Toy Story movies. But like Andy, you never see them when they are moving. I don't play with toys too much anymore. Or too often, whatever. There we go. You can speak every language fluently, but you cannot read or write in any of them. No. I'm not pressing a button on a lot of these. You can destroy famine and world wars, but you have to kill your family. Heck, no. I don't even have to think about that one. All Pokemons will become real, but you can only catch one, and if you don't raise him properly, he will become a violent killing machine. Nope. You lose your ability to feel sorrow, but you also lose your ability to fall in love or appreciate humor. Ooh. That's actually kind of a hard one. Ooh. Lose your ability to feel sorry, but you also... Nah, I can't do that. Really? Only 23% didn't press the button? What the fudge? That's, like, ridiculous.
The world's most famous reporter, Glenn Greenwald, once called Evan Bayh the face of Washington.
I hate ads. You would create the best and finest graphic designs in the world, and everyone will recognize you for it. Everyone will recognize you for it, but Comic Sans will be the only font you use. Yup, I know that font. It's a pretty good font. Not like really that good, but good. You get 100% in every class, but you can't have friends. I already get 100% in every class, and I have friends. You can get cured from any disease possible, but there's only 60% chance to succeed. If you fail, the disease is permanent. No, I don't want no disease. Oh crap. Heath Ledger never died, but he never chose his most popular roles. No. You become rich, in shape, and perfectly healthy for the rest of your life. You become rich, in shape, and perfectly healthy for the rest of your life, but everyone close to you dies. Oh, no. This is a really tough one. Oh, I almost don't even want to. No, I can't do that because I. Wait, what? Ooh. People be stupid these days. All console players will admit that PC is the master race, but console players will still be about it. Complain about it. Yeah, I guess. The entire world is united into one country, but the government adopts communist policies that nobody can rebel against. Nah, we can't have none of that happen, and that crap would be dumb if it happened. You will have the answer to every question, but you can't tell anyone the answer. I guess I'll press the button for that one. No explanation needed. You can beam sounds and images into the mind of anybody you have direct line of sight to, but you can only use this ability while speaking in French, so everyone will know it's you. Yeah, because you can learn how to speak French, and then you could do that, and then, whatever. You get 1 million subscribers on YouTube, but there are the same amount of people trying to kill you. I guess, because nobody's going to find out where I live, except only people that know me. You know everything about someone just by looking at them. Thoughts, feelings, actions, both present and past, but you completely lose to the ability to communicate with others. No, that was the close one to being tied both ways, but I can't go with that one. You may have an entire day every year with the superpower of your choice, but you will be in excruciating pain for the next month, without fail. Ooh, yeah, I'm definitely gonna. You can fly like Superman, but you can only fly while completely naked. Heck yeah. I don't care. I don't care if I'm naked or not. I'm gonna fly. You have to be naked. Captain No Underpants Man. Your crush loves you forever, but after 5 years you no longer love them and love them like you did, and you can't leave. Yeah, I'll do that. You discover a new species of animal and share it with the world, but it kills you a week later. Heck no! What kind of psycho question is that? The fudge? You return to the womb and be reborn again with all your current knowledge and the ability to speak. But once you reach 60 years of age, you will be reborn to different parents in the current year. This continues for all eternity. Yeah, definitely, yeah. I definitely want to do that. World is peace achieved and everyone on earth lives happily, but you ejaculate at random At random 3 times a day, usually at the most embarrassing moments. Hippies also no longer exist. Nope. You can hop into. Alright guys, this is the end. Bye.